So now the other center boards are glued together, the maple. So take the clamps off of those. And what I will have to do now, you can see the glue where the ridges are there. I'll have to do like I did with the other boards and sand everything down good and flat. So basically what I'm going to do is I got this sander, it's an orbital sander, and I'm going to have to go over it till the glue disappears, and if the boards are not even with each other, get them leveled with each other. And then I'm going to glue the two pieces together. Okay, glue on both sides. I want to lay them on top of each other and clamp them down. Make sure I got this X where the top is. And that's where the top's going to be, so it'll fit like so. And it's going to want to slide around a lot. So it's all clamped down to the table, just got to let it dry. Don't know if you can see it that well or not. I see no gaps around here, so it should fill in good. And then I'll be cutting it out to make a guitar body out of it. I got to check the thickness too and make sure it's thick enough. And it is 1 3/4 exactly what I need. So that's what you want the guitar body to be in thickness, is 1 3/4. By the time I'm done sanding on it, cleaned up, it might be a little bit thinner, but it's not going to be too bad, I think. So catch you in the next section. So now I have a slab of wood that is beech on this side and maple on this side. This will be the back, this will be the front of the guitar. I've got it large enough. Take it to the bandsaw, cut outside of this line, give myself a little bit thicker than what I actually need. And then I'll take a router and route it with a template and have a guitar body out of this slab of wood. So what I do now is just have this template which has a center line on it, and I mark me a center line on my piece of wood, and I line that center line out and I trace around it, but I want it wider. I'm going to cut it a little bit bigger on the bandsaw, because when I put this back on it, I'll have a little bit of room, and then I can go around it with a router and make it the final exact shape of this. It's sad how things can go wrong so quick. I was cutting out the shape of the guitar on the bandsaw. I forgot, this is a route, it's not a cut out. And I cut right down into it. The back needs to be solid. So I goofed up. This was only supposed to go that deep. I only have one other ideal to still be able to use this body, and it would be something I haven't seen on a guitar like this, but I don't think it's impossible. Maybe they do make them like this, is to make a neck that is thick enough and fits tight enough to glue in. There are glue in necks, but not like this. So, that's going to be a lot of tedious work and everything, but I hate to throw this body away. This is some nice wood, and I put a lot of work into it. That or just throw it away. I don't know.